Hello everyone, I'm Jack and welcome back. So the next thing that we need to do now that we have found a product that we want to promote, it's time for us to start researching that product and see who else is promoting it. So that's how we can find our competitors. And once we find our competitors, what we want to do is pretty much hijack their traffic. Alright, so let's say we want to promote the half-day diet product. I'll just grab the halfdaydietplan.com URL. Then I will go down to a website called similarweb.com, and as you can see here, get insights for any website or app. Of course, we're interested in a website, so then I would just come here and just paste in the domain name, click search, and it's going to give me some results in here. So as you can see, there are a lot of interesting results like monthly visits and whatnot, but we're actually not really interested in any of this. What we are interested in is actually the referrals. So you can either scroll down here or click, and it's just going to send you over to the referral page. Then over here, you'll see the leading referring sites, and if you click on any of these websites, it's just going to go ahead and open up the website. So what I'm showing you right now is just a list of websites that are referring most of their traffic to Half-Day Diet Plan. Through these websites, Half-Day Diet Plan is getting most of its traffic. So why am I showing you this? Well, the reason I'm showing you all of this is because it means that other affiliates who are doing very well with the Half-Day Diet Plan are sending traffic from these websites. And chances are they have a banner or an ad or something on these websites, and thanks to that, they're able to send a ton of traffic to the Half-Day Diet Plan page. And this is how they make all of their money. Now, the reason this is pretty much guaranteed to be profitable is because these people are sending traffic to Half-Day Diet Plan, and they're using their affiliate links to send traffic there directly, which means that if you also send traffic directly to these websites, you will be making more money than you are spending. It's really as simple as that. And if these guys are doing it and it pays off for them to keep advertising on these sites, then why wouldn't it pay off for you as well? So I hope this makes sense. Of course, some of these are basically just email providers. Just people clicking on these emails, or maybe some ads in these email providers. So of course, we can't really put banner ads on these websites, but that's okay because sometimes that's just how it goes. For example, on this website, fitstep.com, powerful fitness and training info, over here you can see that it's something related to fitness. Alright, so let's take a look. Perhaps they have some banners here and they would also allow you to advertise on their website. Now we know that one of our competitors is already here sending traffic from this website to Half-Day Diet Plan. What we want to do in this case is get in touch with Fitstep and ask about how they advertise. If they have banners on their sites or if they put links in their emails, either way, get in touch with them and see what kind of advertising options they offer. Then if it's just banner ads, you want to ask them and see where those banner ads are exactly. Then you want to pay them for that banner ad placement so that you would then be advertising and sending traffic to Half-Day Diet Plan, the same one as your competitors is doing right now. So I hope this makes sense. Then we've got fitmall.com, basically on this website as well. You would want to get in touch with the website creator and you'll want to see if they offer the possibility for you to purchase a banner on this website and advertise through that banner. Now it looks to me like they do because here's one banner and then here's another. It looks to me like this person would definitely be willing to sell banner space on this website. And I'm pretty sure this is where one of the affiliates for Half-Day Diet Plan is also getting the traffic from. So this is Half-Day Diet Plan and this is a newer product, so that's why you don't get too many referring sites here. But if you actually go with a product that has been out there for a while, like let's say the Venus Factor, I'm going to type in venusfactor.com and then go to referrals over here. So let's give it a second to load. And there we go. As you can see over here, you actually have 885 more referring sites. So to see all of these websites, you actually need to have a premium account. And with the free account on SimilarWeb, you can actually see the top 5 search results. And you can then click on them, open them up in a new window and see exactly what these websites are all about and how you can advertise on them. So this one doesn't seem to be working right now, unfortunately, but over here you have Bamboo, which looks to be like a blog or something. So let's just click on weight loss and see. So yes, it is a blog, and here you have some ads over here on the side. And there we go. This is what one of your competitors is using right now. They've put up a banner ad here, and this is pretty much all they did. But what I need you to do is also contact this website owner and ask them to advertise on their blog. Then you want to create a similar banner, put your banner up in there as well. And then of course, if you click on it, you'll see that it's redirecting people to the Venus Factor sales video, which means that if it's working for one of your competitors and that competitor is able to make money by sending traffic from here, then you'll be able to make money like that as well. All right, so let's see lifestylejournal.com. Let's check out this website as well. It seems to be another blog. So let me just open up one of these articles. And as you can see on these articles, if you scroll down, there's a call to action. When you click learn more, it will redirect you to some different types of offers. Also, you want to get in touch with the owner of this website, or you can just try searching on their website for some advertising info. But if you don't find that, then definitely get in touch with them and ask about advertising on their website and putting up your banner too. So this is it when it comes to finding out exactly where your competitors are advertising. And now that you've seen where other people are sending affiliate traffic from, you'll be able to tap into these websites as well and send traffic from here as well. All right, so in the next video, I want to give you some advice on how to get started with your banner ads. And as you saw in the previous website that I showed you, you noticed a banner ad that one of your competitors is using. So I want to give you some tips and tricks on how to get a website ad designed for you that's similar to the one that your competitor is using, so that you can then get started quickly with your banner ads and make money. All right, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.